Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making this what we're calling a barber pole ring that's going to, if you didn't watch part 1, it's going to go around this can of hair wax. So in the first video we did, well, my circles aren't in the center. I'm going to hit P. There we go. I drew that line, and I used the Control D because it was a 20 degree, but we need 21 sections. So what I'm going to use now is I'm going to take this one line and I'm going to put it in the center. Let's make sure we're in the center. And let's go and open Windows, Docker's Transformation or Transform, depending on what version of Corel you have. I've already done it so to make sure it worked. But so you need 21 sections. Well, 21 doesn't divide into 360 equally, but it does with a lot of digits. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that line now, and we're going to type in 360 divided by 21, and we need 21, but we've already got a copy, so we're just going to hit 20. And in that quick, I made equal spaces of all those colors. So now we're going to go, hopefully this time I won't have a leak. So now I'm going to skip 2 and put white every third one. And I'm just using the Smart Fill tool. And you'll see at the end result that I'm going to use red. And I'm actually going to go red, white, and blue. So I'm going to put one in front of the white one. Then we'll grab the blue. And, you know, you could use any color you want. Now we're going to fill in the blues. Well, see, I did a yellow, or I did a white one. So just make sure you fill in the yellow ones, which are transparent, because we have a yellow box. And then in the same step we did before, right-click, no outline. Now you have a Smart Fill color ring that is every one of them is identical. I mean, there's 21 and each one of them are the same length. I hope that helped a little bit.